Hello students, welcome back to Rasayan. In this video I am going to explain some organic conversions from previous year's board questions. First one is ethanol to acetone. This is structure of ethanol, this is acetone. So here 2 carbon atoms are there, here 3 carbon atoms are there. So we have to do some reactions where we can get stepping up. So first take ethanol. Now do oxidation with potassium dichromate in acidic medium H2SO4. You will get primary alcohol will be oxidized to carboxylic acid because this is strong oxidizing agent. So we are getting CH3COOH. This is ethanoic acid. Now this is acid, and if you treat it with calcium hydroxide base, if you heat, you will get acid plus base is equal to salt, calcium acetate. This is calcium acetate. Now see, if you distill this one, what will happen? Removal of calcium carbonate will take place. Now I am writing here the structure here. CH3 C double bond O O Ca O C double bond O CH3. Removal of calcium carbonate will take place. CaCO3, and you will get acetone. CH3 CO CH3. So we are getting acetone. Next conversion, ethanol to isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol means CH3 CHOH CH3, or you can say this is propan to all. How to prepare? Now see here, in this conversion till acetone we are getting from ethanol. If you treat this with strong reducing agent, this one lithium aluminium hydride, what will happen? CH3 CHOH CH3. This is nothing but propan to all. Or another short method I am showing you. Take ethanol. This is ethanol CH3CH2OH. If you heat it with copper in 573 Kelvin, dehydrogenation will take place. From here and here hydrogen will go, and you will get acetaldehyde. This is acetaldehyde. Now if you treat it with Grignard reagent CH3 MgBr, what is the polarity of this reagent? Here delta plus, here delta minus. So how attack will take place? This is CH3 CHO. So this bond will break and CH3 minus will attack here. So what we will get? We will get here CH3 C. Here one CH3 will be added. So CH CH3, and here O minus. If we break, here minus will come, and MgBr plus. Ionic bond. Okay. Now if you hydrolyze it with water H plus, you will get CH3, CHOH, CH3. CH3, CHOH, propan 2-ol or isopropyl alcohol. Any method you can do. Next conversion is butene to ethanol. What is the structure of butene? CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH3. This is butene. Now what we have to do in ethanol? Here 4 carbon atoms are there. Here 2 carbon atoms are there. So we can think like that way. We can clip this molecule. If we clip this molecule, then we can get lesser number of carbon atom. So how we will clip it? You can treat it with ozone. So first we will get ozonide. Then you can treat it with zinc water. What will happen? Cleavage of ozonide will take place to smaller molecule. From this part it will cleave like this way. From this part you will get, here one oxygen will be added, here one oxygen will be added. So you will get CH3 CHO, means acetaldehyde. 2 molecules we are getting from this part and this part. Now if you treat it with reducing agent, like this is ethanol. Now if you treat it with lithium aluminium hydride, many reducing agents are available. If you select this one, what you will get? CH3 aldehyde will be reduced to primary alcohol, CH3CH2OH, means ethanol. Next conversion is one small conversion I am giving. All these are from board questions. Okay, acetone to tertiary butyl alcohol. So acetone means CH3, C double bond O, CH3. T-butanol means this one, CH3, C, CH3, CH3, OH. So see, here and here same portion is there. So here something is added. If you add something, if you add Grignard reagent, you will get this one after hydrolysis. So treat this compound with CH3 MgBr. This is polar due to electronegativity difference. This is delta plus, this is delta minus. Break this, this will attack here. So you will get, for conversion don't need to show mechanism. For better understanding I am showing this one. So here we are getting CH3, CH3, here CH3. This CH3 is added here and this part O minus and MgBr plus. So to get OH, what we have to do? We have to treat it with H2O H plus, acidified water. Then we will get this compound, tertiary butyl alcohol. When you are writing conversions in exam, try to write name of each compound here. See, next conversion is ethyl alcohol to tertiary butyl alcohol. In the first example or in the first conversion, we have seen ethanol to acetone. So do like that way, ethanol to acetone we did already. And in the fourth conversion, we did acetone to tertiary butyl alcohol. So follow that method. This conversion is methyl alcohol or methanol to isopropyl alcohol. You know methyl alcohol or methanol is having 1 carbon atom, and isopropyl alcohol we did already. This one is having 3 carbon atoms. So we have to do stepping up. So start with methanol. Treat it with HI. removal of water will take place and we will get iodomethane. Now if you treat it, since stepping up, you can treat it with potassium cyanide, you will get CH3CN, acetonitrile. Now if you hydrolyze this one in acidic medium, water H+, from this part you will get COOH. So we are getting acetic acid. Now if you hit this one, already this step we did, calcium hydroxide, acid base reaction, you will get salt, calcium acetate. Now if you distill this by removal of calcium carbonate, you will get CH3COCH3. Because here see, two CH3COO units are there, CH3COO and another CH3COO units are there. So CaCO3. Like that way it will be removed and we will get acetone. Now acetone we are getting. After that you have to reduce it. Several reagents are available. I am using lithium aluminium hydride to reduce ketone to secondary alcohol. We are getting isopropyl alcohol. So like that way we are doing stepping up also. Next is ethyl alcohol to vinyl acetate. This is acetate, this is vinyl group. So this is vinyl acetate. So in ethanol, 2 carbon atoms are there, ethyl alcohol or ethanol, 2 carbon atoms are there. How to start? CH3, CH2, OH. Now first we have to prepare this vinyl moiety. How we will prepare from alcohol? Dehydration reaction by concentrated H2SO4. If you heat it with conc H2SO4, so removal of water will take place. From here OH, from here H, we will get ethylene or ethene. Okay. Now if you do bromination here, bromine will add across the double bond. You will get CH2, CH2, Br, Br. Means ethylene dibromide we are getting. Now if you treat it with alcoholic KOH, dehydrohalogenation will take place. HBr, HBr. 2 HBr will go and we will get acetylene molecule or ethine. Acetylene or ethine we can get. Now if you treat this compound with acetic acid in presence of mercuric salt, what will happen? This will add across the triple bond. I am not showing the mechanism. Just remember, CH3COOH means CH3COO minus H plus. So if this bond will break, what will happen? One part will become plus, another part will become minus. So in the plus part, CH3COO minus will be attached and in the minus part H plus will go and we will get CH3, C double bonded O, O, CH double bond CH2. Here H plus is going and in this part acetate ion is going. We are getting vinyl acetate. This is vinyl acetate. This is used to prepare vinyl polymers. Next conversion is ethyl bromide to methane. In ethyl bromide 2 carbon atoms are there. In methane 1 carbon atom is there. So stepping down we have to do. Take ethyl bromide or bromoethane. Treat it with aqueous KOH. So what will happen? Nucleophilic substitution will take place. Br will be substituted by OH. We will get ethanol. Now this is primary alcohol. If we oxidize it with potassium dichromate in H2SO4, what will happen? It will be oxidized to carboxylic acid. Now if you treat it with sodium hydroxide, we will get sodium salt, means sodium acetate. This is sodium acetate. Now if you heat this sodium acetate with soda lime, what will happen? We are treating CH3 C double bond ONA with sodium hydroxide. So removal of Na2CO3 will take place. We will get methane. So decarboxylation reaction is taking place. By stepping down, we are getting methane.